Welcome back to a new episode, crack addicts. If you love chiropractic adjustments and just can't get enough of them, make sure to subscribe
I'm gonna have you
for
take a
daily
deep breath
content.
in, and then exhale all the way out. Good. I'm gonna do that one more time for you. Deep breath in, and let it out. Good. Okay. So I'm gonna have you bend this knee.
Okay.
Good. Just like that, perfect. And you already like moved right when I set you up. See, just even getting her set up in that position, she's already moving that easily.
Oh,
yeah. Good. Yeah, she moved very easily with that. So I know you felt that ankle release. Okay, we're gonna do this ankle now. Okay. Here through T2 on the left.
Oh, that felt great.
A little bit different than what you've had before.
Definitely different.
Okay. I got that T1 on the right as well. And exhale all the way out for me. Good.
I love this.
So that just helped clear everything out with that. I'm gonna have you take a seat right here. So before we do the Y strap, I just want to make sure that that cervical spine is completely cleared out. So what I'm going to be doing.
Can you take these out?
No,
Okay.
You're good. What I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to do a little rotation.
Okay.
And I'm literally feeling her spinous process is a certain point on the vertebra. It's the very point, like in the middle at the end. What I'm feeling is I'm feeling how the vertebrae are moving, feeling if it's gliding, if it's sticking, and checking to see if any.
Yeah, it sticks on the right, doesn't it?
A little bit. So yeah, I'm just trying to see if I'm getting complete movement or if there's anything that's catching. There we go. Yeah, that moved really well. Okay, and I'm going to come around this side. Let's just make sure we're good here. Right up here up top. And what's good, she doesn't have any earrings to have to worry about. And we're going to start, we're going to distract the spine.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
You already felt that move?
Uh-huh.
Good. Just
That felt so good.
Now I'm going to turn to the other side.
Okay.
And we're going to do the same thing. So the top leg is going to be bent.
Okay.
The bottom one we're going to keep straight.
Okay.
Let me hit this arm. That arm we're going to have cross over your
I can already feel it about to do it.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Perfect.
You barely have to touch me for me to crack.
Yeah. Yep. So I'm going to have you lean back onto me and then bring your elbows together.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. So that, yeah, I know you felt that.
That's the end of the video, crack addicts. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more chiropractic content. Remember to turn the notification bell on, for you won't want to miss our new episodes. See you guys later.